So, hi. Today I want to present about our system, which is smart building energy system, which is it's used for giving a suggestion for the user on how to reduce their building or company energy consumption. So this is the login page, which is the user can select the role is the user is a user or admin, and then the user need to enter their email and also password that they have registered before. So first, if the user is not an existing user, they have to sign up. So click the sign up link here, and it will redirect to the register page to create a new account. And then we need to fill in the full name, job title, email address, phone number, company name, company registration number, company address, and also the password. So first, the full name. For example, Zaza, and the job title is a manager. The email address is zaza@gmail.com, and the phone number and the company name that the user need to register. That the user want to register. Maybe for example, Zaza Boutique, and their company registration number and the company address, maybe, and the passwords of for the account. So, and then just click the register button, and it will pop up the registration successful message, and it will redirect back to the login page, and then just select the role, which is the user, and then the email that have registered earlier and the password, and then just click login button, and then it's redirect to the home page. So this is the user home page, which is it will appear the welcome Zaza and the company, the job title, the total floor, total devices, and also the real-time energy monitoring, smart efficiency tips, clean energy, and sustainability that our system have. And then it's all about the smart energy management and all of that. So next, we have a slide bar here. So it have home, energy dashboard, management reports, and logout from the system. So first, um, so the user is a new user. So the user need to register the floors and also the devices that they want to view the energy consumption of the floor. So the user have to go to the management page. So here, user can fill in the request new floor information and also the request new device. And it's here. It will appear the floors and devices that user have requested. So first, I want to register the new floor. So I just name it as a first. And the floor number, I will just name it as the G1. And just click the request floor button. So it will appear here at the your floors display. It will display the floor name, floor number, and also the status. The status is pending. So it's mean that admin need to approve first for the requested floors and also for the devices. And after that, the user can view the energy consumption. So I want to register for the devices for the first floor. So I just uh, choose the first floor and the device name, for example, laptop, and the file usage maybe 150, 150, and the hour use weekly maybe 70, and the device type, you need to select the device type. So for the laptop, the device type is the electrical equipment, and then after that, the user just have to click the request device button, and it will appear here at the your devices display, and it will show the status is still pending. As I said earlier, that user need to wait for the admin to approve the request for the floors and devices that they request. So now it's time for login for the admin. So here, for the role, we need to select the admin and then enter the email for admin, which is Lumisense, and the passwords of the account, and then just click the login button, and it will appear record admin homepage, and it will say welcome admin and all, and it will also display about the total companies that have been registered with our system, which is we have 8 companies, and the approved devices, which is 9, approved floors, which is 11. Both the devices and also the floors is total of the companies, and also the pending floors, the pending devices, total energy, and also the total bit is also is a sum up for all the companies that have registered to our system, and it's also to display the smart features our system have, and also the general insights, the smart recommendations, and also the sustainability goals of our system. So we have the slide bar. It's same as the user have, which is we have home, energy dashboard, management reports, and also the up from the system. And so we go to the management page first. So here earlier, it have a new user, that have requested for the floor and also devices, which is as you can see here, Zaza Boutique, as I enter earlier. And then the action, either is approve or reject. So we just click approve. Okay, and then for the devices, also for the Zaza Boutique, first laptop, electrical equipment for the type, and also action approve or reject for the devices that the Zaza Boutique have request earlier. So we just click approve. So here, admin can select which company the admin want to see about their information. For example, I want to see about Zaza Boutique, which is which is a new company that have registered our system. So it will appear the information about Zaza Boutique, their company name, registration number, full name, email, phone address, and the date Zaza joined on our system. And also it's display about the registered floors and also the device. So here, and here you can update the admin can update the floor name, the floor number. For example, I want to update for the floor number is G1. When so we just click update, and it will update here. And then the device name, laptop, everything that the user have registered earlier. And then it have the update and also the delete button for if the admin want to update the information about the devices. And also, admin have a features to add a new floor and also add the new devices here. And it have the save floor and the save device. So next, so here earlier you can see that the admin have approved for the requested source and also the device that also have requested. And here you can see at the management page. So here the status before is pending for the floors and also devices, but now the status for both floors and devices changed to approve, which is admin have approved the requested floors and devices that Zaza requests or user requests. And after that, user can go to energy dashboard page. So this is page where the user can see total floors, total devices on that floor, and also the total energy, total cost, the peak usage, and also the lowest usage. So I want to view energy consumption for the month July. The year is 2025, and I want to see for the first floors. And the period I want to choose as weekly. It have a weekly and monthly. So I just want to see the weekly. And then for the week, it have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. But I want to see just week 1. And then just click the generate button. It will generate the energy consumption for the week 1. And this is the display data for the month of July 2025. So it will just like the sum of the month. So it just show the total source this user have is 1, total devices for the flow is 1, total energy, total cost, peak usage, and also the lowest usage. And here, what I want to see, which is the data, the energy consumption data for the week 1 from the 1 July 2025 until 7 July 2025. So it shows the total devices on the first floors, which is as like it here for the first floor. So the first floor have the total devices is 1, and the total energy, total cost, and peak usage, and also the lowest usage. So in here you can see that the total energy that the devices use, the total cost it consume, and also the peak usage and lowest usage. And also it have display the chart for the energy usage and also the cost. It's for from Monday until Sunday. So the blue bar it's for energy usage in kilowatt, and also the red bar is for the cost in ringgit Malaysia. So here is a smart budget optimization plans for the selected floor, which is I choose floor 1. The first floors of the July 2025 is for week 1. And then we have 3 plans, which is current, optimize, maximum, and maximum saving. So as you can see at the energy usage and the estimated bill, it shows that maximum saving is a good choice to the user to select to see, to view, which is its aggressive 40% reduction with automation and peak hour cut downs for the selected floor or company, which is it can see that the maximum saving plan is actually the best for your user to reduce the energy consumption, to reduce the bill for the payment of the bill, so it will cut the cost for the company. So next, we can see the reports page in here. So your user can enter the message, which is maybe the user can enter what issue that user counter and also maybe the feedback for our system. Maybe I want to say the feedback is it's a good system. And then I just click the submit report. And then it will show the report submitted successfully message in here, the green color. And your submitted report is a history of the reports that have been submitted. So here, the that message, everything. And on here, professional energy usage summary is a summary for the energy consumption and all of the information. And user can select a month that they want to view, they want to see. So I will just choose July 2025 and just click the generate report. And then it show here for all of the information about summary for what company, which is for this is Zaza Boutique, and the summary date is I choose for July 2025, and all of the description about the total registered devices, the total power consumption, and also the rate per kilowatt. It's 35 cent, and also the estimated total energy cost, and also the power usage breakdown by the floor. So the this company, this user have only first floor, so it will just display the first floor, and then the user can just click the pin or save as PDF button and here the option. So maybe the user can just click save and it will save at their laptop or desktop. And after that, if user doesn't have anything to do, user just log out from the system. Just click the logout page, logout button in the sidebar, and then it will log out from the system. So after the admin have been approved the device request and also the flow request and also the device request that user have been requested. So we just have here. And after that, we just go to the energy dashboard page, which is show the energy consumption for the company. So I want to choose to see for the July, and the year is 2025, and here it have an option to select the company which I want, which the admin want to see. So I want to see about Zaza Boutique, and the period is have a weekly and monthly, same as like the user. So I just want to see the weekly and the week one. So you have week one, week two, week three, and also week four. So I will just choose week one and just generate. All right. And here is the total summary for all the companies here, which all the companies that have been registered over system is 8. Total source is 12. Total devices sustained and total energy for all of the companies and the total cost for all of the companies. And the top usage companies is a foodie shops. And so I want to and admin want to see for the Zaza Boutique. So it's show here. Zaza Boutique per week one energy consumption of it. So Zaza Boutique have total floor is 1, devices is 1, total energy have a total cost for the floors and the peak usage and also the lowest usage of the consumption. So it also display the chart, which is energy usage and also cost. It's from Monday until Sunday. So the blue bar, it's represent the energy usage, and the red bar is represent of the cost of the for the day. And here you can see the smart budget optimization plans for the Zaza Boutique. For week one, we have three plans, which is current, optimize, and also maximum saving. And as you can see, the current is here, which is it's the original energy consumption of Zaza Boutique. And optimize is our suggestion plan for the user. And also we have maximum saving, which is I will recommend the user to follow the maximum saving plan. Why? Because it's aggressive 40% reduction from the current energy consumption, which is its reduction with automation and peak hour cut downs. So it's a best choice. It's a best plan for user to follow. And it also display about the saving tips, which is it say that run high power machine outside 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. Use timers or a sensor to auto control lights and AC, and also fully shut off the unused devices that no longer use. For that, the energy consumption can be reduced. So next, we can see the reports page, which is summary. And then here, we have a pending report, which is Zaza Boutique have been submitted feedback for our system. So it's a year, the company name, submitted at when, and also the message, and the status is pending. So the admin have to reply and also click the mark as review. And just reply it. Thank you. And then just click the mark as review button. And it's appear there at the review reports section, which is here. And the admin can choose which company and admin want to see the reports from, want to see the Zaza Boutique. So it will just appear the Zaza Boutique reports. So it's next is a generate energy usage summary, which is an admin can see the summary of the energy that company use. So an admin can select the company here. So I want to see the Zaza Boutique, and it will appear here. So we just select the month we want, the admin one. So just July, and then just click the generate report button, and then it just appear here. the summary for what company, their registration number, their address, and also the summary that which is for which month the admin want to view. So it has it display the description about the total registered devices, total power consumption, and also the watt per kilowatt, and also the estimated total energy cost that have been suggested. And also, admin can print or save as PDF here. So admin can just click the save button, and it will save on the admin desktop or laptop. Okay. So if an admin doesn't have anything to do, so admin can just log out from the system just by click the logout here at the slide bar, and then it's logged out. So so we also have a features about forgot password. So if the user, maybe example, they forgot their password they have been registered, so they had just have to click the forgot password link here, and then just enter their information. For example, Zaza, and just fill in their new password, and maybe I want to password is 1212, and then just re-enter the password that have been filled in before, 1212, and then just hit the reset password, and it will show password reset successful, and the user can enter the system with the new password. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.